Good morning, all of you enthusiastic construction workers. Welcome to the channel of Ginger Dust. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for us, please. Hit them likes. I thought I'd start today off with something you guys probably wouldn't know about me. I actually own a business. I'm setting it up right this early morning, really early, just before work. I own 27 of them and a load of other little bits. So let's set it up. Party time. So can you guess what it is yet? So please let me know if you have any cool sideline businesses alongside the construction industry. Mine's a bit weird, but it pays the bills. Another happy customer. See you at work. And we're back. Here we are back in the driving seat for another day. Forklift man again. / labourer. But first, it's a load out sesh. Load these out. You know, I haven't got the legs down and everything. So we're actually here to help him put this slab on. We're also here to put up 6 courses round this outside. 90 blocks loaded out there, not including corners. Let's do a mix! First mix of the day. Done. Corner building now. Sounds like the slabs here. We are 200 mil too short. The person who dropped the beams off of this drawing got 3 meters. The drawing we had was 2 meters 8. So someone messed up. Slight adjustments needed. Done. Extension. 6. Extension's done. Corner. Cherry on top. That's the height. It's mix a lot. I seem to be mixing a lot today. Block blade with a shift. This is going to be interesting, this height. Easy. The land's not there. It's way too high. Ooh. So, just a quick one on these. Oh dear. So the drawing we got was actually 2.8 meters, and then the guy came along with the beams, and he had a drawing of 3 meters. So note why we the rest of these, well, another half, basically another 200 mil. So that's why we had to do that, but we got over it. And we'll be putting them on tomorrow, these ones, on there when it's not so green. I'm going to use these poles to square it up, because you might not be able to see, but it sort of veers off, so we need to use them poles to shimmy it over because they're heavy. Right, so I hope you enjoyed a bit of a random one from me today, but I did enjoy it. Another day of being a labourer, but you've got to muck in sometimes. All in all, a good day. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, please hit them likes and press that bell. I'll see you in the next one.